Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your love reading. This is going to be for the sign of Leo. I will be doing this reading for Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces and Scorpio as they got the most views for the last readings that I uploaded. So stay tuned and this reading is definitely going to be for the sign of Leo. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading but no charms will be added. So stay tuned. And we're going to tap into the current energies of the person that you are dealing with. Then we're going to tap into their messages or feelings for you, and then we're going to take some oracle cards. So yeah, while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so pick whatever is resonating. I'll leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So let's begin the read. Let's find out whoever it is that you're dealing with. Let's tap into their current energies. Let's see what is up going on in their life right now. King of Pentacles. Somebody's too focused on their work, career, stability, inner strength right now. Somebody's so very career oriented right now. Somebody is very much practical or thinking practical about every area of their life right now. It doesn't have to be something related to the finances, but yes, I do see whoever it is that you're dealing with, they are pretty much very well in their work, and whatever they are doing for their earning, they are doing good for themselves for sure. And this person is basically adding more abundance to their finances for sure. They are attracting a lot of abundance financially for sure. I feel like, whoever it is that you're dealing with, this person is very much occupied with their work right now. Let's see more cards here. Yep. This person has no fun in their life right now, whoever it is that you're dealing with. They are doing just two things. Heavily thinking about what can they do, like planning about their future, then their work. Planning about the future goals, work. Planning, execute the plan, plan, execute. That's them. Whoever it is that you're dealing with, they are very much focused on their work and career right now. They have no other person in their life. They are too very busy with these two things happening in their life right now. Let's see, what are they currently thinking about you? What are their feelings and thoughts around you? Whoever it is that you are dealing with, their thoughts and feelings around you. I feel like, with these cards, I don't think that this person really think of you much. But let's see, because this is something which is dominantly on them right now, on their mind right now. Work and practicality around that work goals or something. Let's see, how do they see you or feel for you right now? Six of Pentacles. Not giving you enough thought, time even. I feel like, this person is very occupied with their work and finances. They don't have much time for you, and I don't see that they even think of you much, right now. This person is heavily having finances on their mind. Their life is completely out of balance. Work. That's it. They are not thinking much about you. They are not giving much time to you. Even if you are in touch with this person, they are completely keeping you on the side. Like, they are not treating you well. They are not talking to you well. You are going to be feel like, you might be already feeling that they are ignoring you or something. In actuality, this person is very career oriented, whoever it is that you're dealing with, and you might feel like, I don't know what I'm doing with this man or this woman right now, because they have no time for you for sure. Let's see more cards here. I don't see that this person is any anyway, like, is giving you much or enough that could satisfy you at all, because I do see you begging for their attention and love. Seven of Pentacles. They feel like, they don't have time for you right now. They cannot. You are the least priority for majority of you. Either you have already broken up with this person, if not, they don't think about you at all. You are not at all in their priority list anywhere. So this person doesn't think of you at all. That's what I'm picking up very clearly here, because this person has their focus on something else. Let's see, what is it? Is it work or some other person? Their work and success, that's their goal right now, and that's the only thing that they're too focused on. Work, recognition in whatever it is that they are doing to live, for their living, I would say. They think that right now is the time when they cannot invest their time and energy into anything else other than their work, career goals. That's it. Let's see, what is it that they secretly want you to know. After this, we are going to take some other cards that I made as well to see their other messages for you as well. Let's see, what is their message for you then? um, really want you to know that they at times do think about you, not in a way where they miss you so bad. It's just that they do think of the good times that you shared with them. um, but nothing more than that. They don't have the time to stop and smell the roses, think about those happy times. But at times, yes, they might get some time when they think about you. Maybe a song plays in their car and they feel like, oh my God, I last heard this song being with you. So that could be the only thing. Other than that, they have a lot in their mind all the time that they cannot have enough space for you to think about. So I don't think that this person is at all missing you. But yes, they really want you to know that at times I do think about you, but nothing more than that. The Magician. They really want you to know that they're waiting for the right time where they could, have it all. Right now they feel like, they cannot invest much time into relationships because this is what they're focused on. So they hope that one day they will be able to make it happen when they could manage love, work, passion, excitement, and everything all together. Right now, they don't think that they are strong enough to go for that. They really want to invest their time and energy into one area of their life, which is their career. Underneath the deck, we do have the Three of Swords. They are not happy without you. They are not happy with the whole situation itself, but that's what they have to do right now. I don't know why they think so, but that's what they think. And but yes, they do at times think of you, but not heavily enough where they could, you know try to manage their time for you. Like, I do see this person completely ignoring you right now. Let's see their messages. Let's see what they want you to know. What else do they want you to know? Boring, dull, and aloof. They have become boring, dull, and aloof. They have nobody to hang out with. They have no other person in their life. But yes, they have become so boring because they are too overindulged in their work. Now is not the time. They really want you to know that now is not the time for love for them. It's like, it's not the right time for them to love, to, communicate, to to give it to their love life right now. That's not their top priority at all. The work is the top priority right now. You will soon meet the one. With this divine message, you will meet the one soon. Maybe this maybe it's been so long that you last met this person. Maybe you are going to meet them soon. Maybe soon they are going to get rid of this whatever it is that's keeping them busy. Maybe they're going to reach their goal or something, but that's what it is. Don't find your fears. If for some of you, you might be fearful around this connection because maybe your person is too busy with their work and situations. Maybe you miss them and you feel like, I don't know if they have moved on, or maybe they have somebody else that they are giving their time to. In actuality, they are just giving and focusing their time to their work and career. So maybe you are getting fearful now because they don't give you much time. So work on your confidence. It's very important for you to work on your confidence so you don't let your fears um, make you think negative around the situation. Maybe for some of you, because your person is not giving you enough time, be that you are in touch or be that out of touch completely, or you are in separation, is heavily busy with their work. Now, since they are not giving you enough time, maybe you have this, fear that, maybe they have moved on, maybe they have another person in their life. But in actuality, there's nothing like that. It's just that your person doesn't want love life situation right now. They don't want to deal with it right now. They have a lot on their plate. They don't want to have an added responsibility in their life. That's what I'm picking up. Let's take one oracle card from this deck. Let's see what it has to add to the reading. These cards are so big to shuffle. Okay. Wow. Let's pull one card. Let there be closeness between you, but always give each other space. Love never claims, it simply allows and gives. I feel like, your person really wants you to know at this point in time. They really want and wish and hope that you understand their need for space right now so they could build their empire. So they could, when they are ready, they could come forward to offer you their love. And it's very important for you to give your person space right now, because that's what they need. The more you're going to demand time, the more you're going to ask for them to commit to you, they are not going to do that. Plus, they are going to push you away, or they're going to make you go away from them. Either way, you both are not going to be happy with this. It's very important if you could get yourself busy too right now, because otherwise it's going to become toxic. The connection is going to become toxic. You and your person is basically it seems like you both are not on the same page right now. Maybe you want commitment, your person doesn't want it. Or it can be completely opposite. Maybe the energies are completely reversed for some of you as well, because this is a general reading, but that's what I'm picking up here in this reading. So yeah, if the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.